Good afternoon, kiddies. Welcome to Papa Setti's Pell practice. Today's rainy day Pell practice. What to do when it's too wet to go outside. So you find yourself, I've got an arrow here, some kind of a wooden dowel. You could use a yardstick or ruler. About anything will work. What I'm working on is my body mechanics of the body is moving before the arm. So it's hip, turn, touch. It's how my brain reads it. Hip, turn, touch. I'm trying to get the sword to travel sideways in a plane as long as it possibly can until it reaches the target. I don't want to come out halfway to the target and then start it going sideways because I get this much generated force. So it's hip, turn, touch. Hip, turn, touch. I have taught myself to use the same hip motion, turn, and then touch. And it's putting the same force out as this. And it's the same motion. I'm coming out, turning, touching. Out, turning, touching. I would do this sitting watching commercials. I would do it in between just doing nothing, getting ready for bed. And I'd say, okay, I'm going to do this for a couple minutes. And I just hip, turn, touch, hip, turn, touch. And it taught me to throw this shot and hit the backside of a helm. And it's actually worked out pretty well to get my body mechanics doing this on a regular basis. Have a nice rainy day.